If you can paint an O, then you can paint these tulips. Start by painting an O shape and then fill it in with some pink. Paint a semicircle next to it and make sure to leave some white space in between the two petals. Then you're gonna do the same thing for the second tulip. Also, we add a little triangle shape at the top of the tulips. This painting is all about layering, so you're gonna see me add a bunch of layers. I use the technique wet on wet, which means that the color is still wet when I add the next layer. For the 3D effect, we wanna make the semicircles darker by adding some pink to them. I lay down some pink at the bottom and on the sides of the tulips and then wash my brush, dab it off and blend out with only water. I mixed some blue to my pink and made a fine line where the smaller petal begins. Then I make the stems. Herefore I mixed green with burnt sienna and then I add the leaves with some darker green. To make it look more 3D, I add some shadows with a darker green, and each time I do that, I then wash my brush, dab it off and blend the color. Here I add a very dark green under the arch of the leaf to make it pop and look more realistic. I add some more shadows on the leaves, wash my brush and blend it. Last I added some more green underneath the arch of the left leaf to darken it even more. And here we go, now you have some beautiful tulips that you can give as a gift to someone or hang up at your place.